Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share 20 powerful ways to learn English at home. The same methods I used myself. Stay with me until the end because you don't want to miss this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Learning English at home is possible. You need a good plan and practice every day. Here are some easy ways to learn English at home. 1. Make a daily plan. Study English every day. Spend time on words, grammar, listening, speaking, and writing. 2. Use online resources. There are many free websites and apps to learn English, such as Duolingo, Memrise, and BBC Learning. English for lessons. YouTube videos to learn from teachers. Podcasts and audiobooks to practice listening. 3. Watch movies and series in English. Watch movies and series with English. Subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat. Sentences. Later, try watching without. Subtitles. 4. Read simple books and articles. Read short stories, easy news, or simple articles. News in Levels is a great website for easy reading. 5. Practice speaking. Talk to yourself. Speak about your day or your favorite things in English. Talk with others. Find a language. Partner on Tandem or Hello Talk apps. 6. Write every day. Write a short diary, notes, or simple texts in English. Use Google Translate or Grammarly to check mistakes. 7. Learn words in a fun way. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki and Quizlet help you remember new words. Learn words in sentences. Do not just memorize words. Use them in sentences. Learn 5 words a day and repeat them. 8. Copy native speakers. Listen to native English speakers and repeat their words. Watch videos and copy their pronunciation. Use the shadowing method, listen and speak at the same time. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. 9. Use English every day. Think in English instead of your own. Language. Change your phone and computer. Language to English. Write shopping lists, plans, and notes in English. 10. Join online classes or groups. Practicing with others makes learning faster. Some good websites for finding partners are italki for teachers or partners, Reddit, r language exchange, to find language partners, Discord language servers for voice, chats in English. 11. Be patient and enjoy. Learning English takes time. Sometimes you may feel stuck, but do not give up. Here are some tips to stay motivated. Set small goals like, I will learn 50 new words this month. Reward yourself after learning something difficult. Make learning fun with word games like Wordle or Scrabble. 12. Listen to English music and podcasts. Music helps with pronunciation and rhythm. Try listening to songs and singing along. Podcasts are great for listening. Practice. Some good ones. The English We Speak, BBC. Learn English with Story.ESL. 13. Challenge yourself with English. Games. Playing games in English helps you. Learn new words while having fun. Try word games like Scrabble or Wordle. Mobile apps like Quizlet or Kahoot. Role-playing games where you must speak in English. 14. Use English in real life. Try to use English every day, even for small things. Order food in English, if possible. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself when cooking, walking, or doing chores. 15. Record yourself. Speaking. One of the best ways to improve is to record yourself speaking, then listen, and compare with a native speaker. This helps with pronunciation and confidence. 16. Think in English. Stop translating in your head. Try thinking in English about your daily activities. For example, say, I need to go shopping. 17. Follow English social media accounts. If you spend a lot of time on social media, make it useful. Follow English pages on Instagram, English learning pages, YouTube, English teachers like English, Addict, Speak English with Vanessa, TikTok, short, fun English tips. 18. Set a goal and track your progress. Keep track of your learning to stay motivated. Write a journal about what you learn every day. 19. Learn English culture and expressions. Every language has unique phrases. Learn idioms, slang, and expressions to sound more natural. For example, break a leg. It means good luck. It's a piece of cake. It means it's very easy. 20. Never give up. Stay motivated. Learning English is a journey. Some days it will feel hard, but don't stop. Stay motivated by watching success stories of other learners practicing a little every day, having fun while learning. Final challenge for you. Which of these tips will you try first? Leave a comment in English and practice. Learning English at home is possible. With good practice and fun activities, use different methods like movies, books, speaking, and writing. The most important thing is to practice every day and enjoy the process. Start today and improve step by step.